Welcome back. I think I've got a cold, but maybe I don't. Welcome back to another channel episode. Another episode to the channel. It's been a couple weeks since I've done anything. I got, of course, some things always to do and get accomplished. And today, like none other, or like I usually do, I've got something I need to do. And so it's a special time of year. In California, this time of year comes every other year, so every 2 years. And it's that kind of time of year where this truck might need, oh, there's a flag, God bless you, might need something changed underneath it in order for it to become California compliant. So yes, I must smog my vehicle, and so I gotta make it smoggable. So I made a video before about when you have it's a 50 state legal tune, so that means that California says it's smog legal. There's the flag again. So there's the computer aspect of it, so that just means it's got to go back into its regular mode of stock formation, and then I got to drive the crap out of it and clear the code, the P1000 code, whatever it is. But the other part too is I have to quiet it down, so the truck can't be as loud as it was, which is unfortunate. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take this piece off and put this piece back. It'll be the not the tailpipe. It'll be the muffler. We're gonna change the muffler to this. The muffler. And once we do that, then we can, like I said, take it up for a drive, clear the codes, and then we can get my sticker for my license plate, and then move on with our lives until 2 more years come. So anyway, that's what we're doing. So I already bolted some things. Exhaust is always a pain in the butt because it's rigid and doesn't want to move that well. And anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. So watch me do my thing, and I might talk about something after that, and then let's see what it sounds like though when it's stock. And I think I'll try to do it. We'll try to do a before and after, and let's just see what we think, what's different. So let's go. Let's get after it. Let's do it. Kind of loud. Kind of. Okay. Let's do some work and then tell me what you think. Alright. So, unbolt. Don't unbolt. Unbolt. Theoretically should go down, but double chin. But it probably won't happen that easy. Let's go. All right, let's try a couple techniques. Let's see if I can put you over here. This one I call stratosphere. Where's the other things? I don't want to get my pants all dirty. Too late. Alright, let's just do it. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna go now. There's gotta be an easier way. Okay, I didn't want to have to do this. I'm gonna put a little lubricant in there. I have to get the bottle, so 1 second. Okay, let's try that. Watch it fly out now. That's kind of a trick. Sorry if you had headphones on right now. is gonna be loud. There it goes. Okay, well that was the trick. Might leave that hanging. Okay, let's put the can you see me? Let me see. There you are. Let's put the let's put the muffler back on. Okay, now it's time to put this torpedo bazooka muffler other device back in this truck. And shouldn't be hard. It's heavy, but it shouldn't be hard. Let's go to it and let's do it. So tighten somewhere in there, tighten, and then we're good. And then it's like, why am I doing this every couple years? Because it's like just for it to sound cooler. But hey, you know, you're only 44 once. So, or if I'm 43, but I'll be 44 soon. So when I'm 64, maybe I won't want, you know, loud stuff, but still like it. So we'll do it. All right, the time that you've been wasting is now come to a conclusion, and now we're gonna see. Is it quieter? Should be quieter. Let's find out. All right, that's before. Okay, welcome back from maybe a month ago or so. So last time we checked in, I had to put my cat back on to get it smogged, and I had to reset the computer to get that P1000 code in or out, and it's gone. So now we got to button it back up, put the delete pipe back in, and get it running again. But before I do that, I want to do another before and after on old Whitey. So let's start it off with a little cold start. It's not cold, it's California. For some reason it's like almost 90, which is hot for March. But anyway, let's do a cold start, hear it, and then we'll see how different it sounds when it's back together. All right, you see, this here is the problem. Needs to go away. Let's see if we can remedy this. Bring this over here. Ooh, looks like an exhaust leak. All right, let's put the better one on. And I just painted it. Where are you, buddy? There you are. Nice and black. Got some new hardware. Let's put this together. We just got back from Disneyland, so my truck is still filled with crap. You ever been there? Well, it's not the most peaceful place on earth, but the kids had fun. All right, let's put this back together. Should be easy. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Everything's in place. Let's do an official start and see what it's gonna sound like. Kind of sounds louder. Let's see what it sounds like on the road.